In 60 seconds, I'll show you how to add a payee in TD Online Banking on desktop. Go to td.com and sign in to online banking with your credentials. From your account's dashboard, click Pay Bills in the top menu. Choose Add a Payee, select the biller, or enter a new payee name manually. Enter the account number, billing address, and an optional nickname, then continue. Review the details and click Save. Look for the confirmation message on screen. Now on mobile, open the TD app and sign in with Face ID or your password. Tap the menu icon, then select Payments or Pay Bills from the list. Tap Add Payee, search for your biller, or choose Add New Payee to enter details. Fill in the account number and billing address fields, then verify the nickname. Tap Review to confirm all entries, then tap Add to save the new payee. You'll see a confirmation screen. Tip: enable notifications for payment reminders.